Do you know what time it is? Well, it's actually every market update time. Do not plan to trade based on this video. The market can cause you substantial financial loss. Be very, 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 very careful of what you're doing in the markets because it can cause you substantial financial loss. So, alrighty. So, let's get in the markets. Guys, before I do start, guys, tonight, my time, Australia time, I'm running a live training. So if you guys are watching this before tonight, then make sure you click that very first thing in the description, click on it, come and join me, guys. I promise you, I'm going to talk to you about the 7 secrets that is helping me and helping my mentor achieve a 90% success rate. So I'm going to talk about the 7 secrets that's going to do that. So go do that right now, guys, and I'll see you in a live training. With that being said, guys, let's have a quick look at the silver and gold market, plus also the indexes. Well, following on from yesterday, guys, the silver and gold markets really had the silver market really hasn't done too much. As you can see, we're still holding this level of support. I talked about yesterday about this white space, so that's actually really interesting there. Plus also we can see what's happening with gold as well too, right? So gold, what we're doing right now with gold is we can see that gold had a big run up and had a big rally down. Again, nothing really has changed. We're just come down to this level of support, that's all. And I believe we're likely to start getting a rally up and a rally out of this here. So nothing really to be worried about when it comes to that. Now, what happened with the markets today? Ding, 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 ding. Ding, 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 ding. All right, so let's go here. Let's have a look at this here. So we're looking at the Dow Jones and we're looking at all the other markets here today. And you can see basically what is happening and what's going on through here. So Dow Jones continue to race up to new highs. Just continue to move up. But not strong, is it? It's not really strong. It's like little bar. It's just like it's not really strong at all. So I'm expecting some sort of a pullback soon out of the markets. Only reason why is let's see from low to high. Low to high was about 600 points. From low to high is now 700 points. So you can certainly see if when we do go through these sort of small updates, we generally get some sort of a pullback. And the market will give us a pullback soon. So we just don't know when that's going to be. But you can see the markets are continue rallying up. New highs. So I'm expecting, again, I'm not picking a top here, but I'm expecting the market to have a little rollover here. Not a crash, but a little rollover here, especially what we're seeing right now when the market is just continuing to move up from there. Let's go to the S&P. S&P, again, looks like the market is, the market's had a little rally up. We had a little sell-off today. Now it's actually closed high as well too today. So again, the momentum's very strong in the markets right now. So I definitely wouldn't want to be fighting it, but I do believe we're going to get some sort of a pullback soon. Whether that happens or not, I don't know. We could just keep going up, so that's very difficult to see. And also the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq struggled to break up to new highs, isn't it? So is tomorrow the day it actually breaks up to new highs? I don't know. Maybe. So, looking at the markets, guys, and looking at everything I'm seeing in the markets right now, especially with the Dow Jones. The one thing I want you to realize with the Dow Jones is this, guys, and I want you guys to see this here. And I want to reiterate what I see on the long-term time frame chart. If I bring up the weekly chart, in fact, if I bring up the monthly chart, if you see what's actually happening here on this big monthly chart. Now again, no, guys, this is a monthly chart. Doesn't mean it's going to happen tomorrow or next week. It's just something that I've noticed. Right now, what I see on this monthly chart is a bubble. There's no other to it. It is a bubble, and we will get a severe pullback soon. And it will happen. We don't know when. This thing could keep going on and on for another couple of thousand points. We know that. The thing about a bubble is that you don't know how far it's going to go. You can get some gauges by reading the markets, by reading the peaks and troughs, highs and lows and stuff like that. But by looking at the market and by looking at everything that's happening in the market, you can actually see that overall, guys, that this market here it's in a really big sort of bubble territory, and we get this vertical move right now. This move in the monthly chart has never happened in the past. Never ever happened in the past like this, where it's just simply just gone straight up. So this is a bubble that we're seeing right now. Ever since the election, we're seeing like a big sort of bubble movement, and again, we don't know when the bubble is going to end. But I do believe, long term on the Dow Jones, we may get a little bit up movement, but I believe we're likely to start seeing something like that real soon. So we don't know when that's going to happen, guys. But that's sort of market update for me, for you guys. A bit of a longer term view there. That's what I see long term. Short term, you don't know what's going to happen on short term, but that long term chart, guys, we are in a bubble and we will get that big pullback soon. We don't know when, but it will happen.